Hello crafty friends, my name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Al. And happy Sheetload of Cards Day. I hope you'll stick around to find out all about the February 2026 free card making printable. Welcome, or perhaps welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here today. Each month, I stop by with a brand new and free sheetload of cards for my subscribers. This is a 2-page printable that gives you a new sketch, supply list, and cutting guides to make the most of your products and yield a sheetload of cards. That is usually between 6 and 12, depending on the card size, the paper size, etc. As I mentioned, these are free printables and they stay that way for 2 full years. If you're newer to my channel and would like access to older editions that are in the vault, make sure to click on the join button below this video to find out more about the perks of membership. It doesn't automatically sign it up, but you can see the different levels and the different perks. Please do keep in mind that if you see that glue stick is more than $1.99, to hop off that iPhone or iPad and try it on an Android device or a computer or laptop. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a look at that new printable, showing you the first set of cards that I made with it, and then tell you how you can download the file. Tomorrow, I will be back to show you the process with some great tips to help you get your sheetload of cards made, and my creative team will also be joining me in sharing their first sets. Make sure if you don't yet subscribe to everybody that you check out their channel link list down in the description box and go ahead and click on that subscribe button on everyone's channel so you're all ready to go for tomorrow. Are you ready to see the February 2026 sheetload of cards? The February 2026 printable will show you how to make 6 cards using just 1 piece of pattern paper, 1 piece of vellum, and some cardstock. Just like last month, which was a special collaboration with Kendra's Card Challenge, this is going to be one of those that you can use the sketch for a great jumping off point, and you have many opportunities to fancy this up and make it your own. Now, if you don't want to make a full sheet load, as always, you can follow the single piece dimensions to put your card or cards together. And this month, there are some special instructions to pay attention to. There is going to be some tearing on the vellum and one of the cardstocks. If you're not a fan of tearing, in tomorrow's video, I will show you a tool that is going to help you get kind of that same effect on your cards. And like I mentioned before, sheetload is always a great jumping off point for you to make the card your own, and I do give some alternative ideas here at the bottom of page 1. Page 2 of the printable will show you how to cut each of your pieces, and this month there is a little bit of leftover on the pattern paper, so I suggest using some of that to decorate the inside of your cards. I'll talk about it more tomorrow, but I do give the dimensions for the pieces before tearing up on the cutting area. And then down at the bottom, I give you the approximate torn size in case you just want to cut it just with straight edges. That you can definitely do as well. Once you've made your sheet load, I would love to see it. So if you share online, make sure to use the hashtags at the top of the printable and tag me wherever you share on social media. You can also add a photo to the designated album in my Call Me Crafty Al Facebook group, or send in a physical card, which I'll share in my end of the month video. If you are interested in showing us your sheet load, I do have the latest guidelines video linked down in that description box below. Before I share a look at the main products I used for my first set this month, I would like to take a couple minutes and recognize some special channel members. In the month of January, I had some members reach big milestones. Celebrating 2 years of membership is Debbie Hutchinson, Barron's mom, Catherine Schmidt, Danny Roosh Herring, Cards by Kendra, Floofies and Flowers, Julie Bone, the Bennett Action Group, Barbara Rogers, Eva Perkins, and Karen Crossman. The following members are celebrating 3 years of membership. Kimberly Hopper. Include a thank you. Janet Prue, Connie Allard, the Susie Vaughn, Kathleen Ignato, Lynn Fries Mayhew, Jerry Rush, Jenny Marie, Marley Barrett, Diane Deanne, Mary Ann Sniffen, Elisa Reevy, Melissa Schabel, Tracy Bryant, Patty Okerstrom, Cindy Purvis, Sandy Kimmis, Annette Graham, Gigi Andrews, Bonnie Zur, and Eva Marie. And the following members are celebrating 4 years of membership. Pat Scar, Darcy Bluma, Danetta Morse, Dee Spoon, Debbie W., Deborah Forrester, Alva McNerlin, Cynthia Hull, Sandra Camelgarn, Creations by Klaus, Stacy Hinton, Wolch Fam, Emily Henry, Kathy Rodriguez, Deborah Storbeck, Sandra Buchanan, Carol St. Andrew, and Claire Vesey. Thank you so much to each one of you for your continued support. You, as well as my other channel members, help to keep me creating here on YouTube and the last 2 years of SheetLoad of cards free for all subscribers. In front of me are the main supplies that you'll see me use in tomorrow's video. I did choose this Deckled Edge nesting circle die set for my focal point. You can always use a punch or just a standard edge circle. For my sentiments, I use this Common Phrases printable, which I have created for channel members, and I will be telling you tomorrow how you can download this PDF. For my pattern paper, I chose a piece from the Peaceful Poppies Designer Series paper pack from Stampin' Up. This is probably no longer available. I'm sure I got it years ago, but I just thought it would make beautiful backgrounds on today's cards. To go with that, I got out a sheet of 8.5 by 11 vellum and a piece of Tailored Expressions Persimmon cardstock. Now, if you don't have vellum, you can definitely use another coordinating cardstock or leave that piece off altogether. Use what's in your stash so you can get crafty. In tomorrow's video, I'll be telling you about other products and tools that I will be using, including that special tool to help get that deckle or torn-edged look. Now let's take a look at my first set of cards using the February 2026 SheetLoad of cards. I hope you enjoyed getting a look at my first set of cards using the February 2026 SheetLoad of Cards printable. If you did, as always, a thumbs up is appreciated. You might have noticed that I had a couple different variations. On the left, I have kind of a deckle look to my vellum and my cardstock, and on the right, I have the traditional tearing. Don't forget, tomorrow I'm going to tell you more about both these options and a couple others. Now let me tell you how you can download the free printable if you want to make a SheetLoad of your own. As always, I do ask that before you click on the download link, which I'll tell you where that's at in just a minute, that you are a subscriber to my channel. We do just go on the honor system here. I don't make you send me any kind of proof. Just please make sure before you click on the link that you have clicked on the subscribe button below. As always, subscribing is free, quick, and easy. You are going to find the link to the February 2026 sheet load of cards down in the description box right above my supply list. Below the link it will say to watch the video for a password, but you watching this far is your password. You can download it to your device and print it out like I have, or you can download it to your device and just use it on screen. I'm super excited to come back tomorrow to show you how I made my cards and see what my creative team has made this month. Until then, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.